Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Hi guys, it's Michelle and I am so excited to be showing you this gorgeous wig. So this is one of the new wigs from Renau launching for 2024 and this is called Maeve. She is probably one of my ultimate favourites, honestly, absolutely stunning. I'm going to quickly turn around. I will insert the lengths for you up here. I'm going to do a bit of a spin just to let you see the wig from all directions in all her glory. It's so gorgeous. So yes, this is Maeve. Now, Maeve is heat friendly fibre, so you can use heated tools on this if you want to. This is her how she comes. She is absolutely stunning. I love this kind of curl pattern. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, this is such a gorgeous wig. Now we have a lace front on Maeve here. As you guys can see, the lace front runs right the way around. We have a centre monofilament parting, so down the centre it does look like that hair is growing from your own head. Now this feels lovely and lightweight. It is heat friendly fibre. It is so beautiful. I'm wearing the shade Shaded Mocha, which is 24BT18s8, and this has these really gorgeous, as you can see, it's got these kind of fringe bangs which you can just split, or you can have it kind of down if you want to. I would need to trim that a bit probably if I was wearing it down, but maybe not. But you know, it's good that you have that kind of versatility there. If you prefer having it more, you could put the whole fringe to the side and have a kind of side fringe look, which is really pretty, and I actually really like that look. Or you can just have it kind of split and swooped, which is what I usually do, but what I do varies depending on how I feel each day. But yeah, I really adore this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. It is so lightweight and it is just so beautiful. It is that slightly longer at the front. It is not a crazy density. It is so natural, and we do have like just this most gorgeous shape. The way it sits on your head, it just looks very natural. It does not look wiggy, it does not feel wiggy. The fibres that they have used in this HD and these new wigs, they are absolutely stunning and even hold up well after washing. They're so easy to work with. They are just incredible. Super fine, looks, feels like kind of natural hair. They are just absolutely lovely. I love this 24BT18s8 Shaded Mocha. I just love it. It's your kind of in between your blonde and your brown, your bronze type look, which, you know, but there are obviously a range of colours this wig comes in. It is absolutely stunning. Ear to ear lace front that we've already shown you there, which just means you can wear that right off your face. That goes back into this really kind of generous centre parting, welded monofilament parting here. We have open wefted sides and back. We have the velvet nape with your Velcro adjusters, and we have your kind of velvet covered ear tabs here. So this is just such a gorgeous wig. Now, I don't know what to say. This is probably one of my favourite styles of all time. If you want to, you can obviously tie it up or do what you want, play around with it like it's in a box. It's a wig on your head, it's your hair. And like with these kind of fringy parts, the kind of bangs that are added, it just sits so lovely. Like you can literally leave a wee curl down at each front, or like even tie them up if you want, and you have that kind of natural look with that wee fringe. It just kind of softens it all if you're tying it up off your face. I just really love it. I love it's not thick full bangs. It's just fine and natural and really pretty and feminine. I just really love this. I think Renau have done an absolutely amazing job with this launch. I especially love this style, and I love Holly as well. This though, Maeve, she is just stunning. You can buy this at MIMO wigs if you guys are interested. It is totally highly recommended. I absolutely recommend it. I will probably be getting this in another couple of colours. It sadly does not come in the FS27, which I just adore. If it ever comes in that, I will definitely be getting one. But yeah, it is really stunning, really gorgeous. So whether you like brunette, dark, rooted, unrooted, whatever you like. There are a range of shades that this wig comes in. It's really beautiful and I totally recommend it. So that's all for now, but I'm going to quickly jump off of here, and I've got another 2 or there are 4 all in, so I want to get the other reviews done and on for you guys. Okay, so take care, keep sparkling, be beautiful, and I'll see you in the next wig review. Mwah. Bye.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.